Welcome to Wander Asheville Meadows. This contemporary ranch-style home is located in the Riceville Valley of North Carolina, only a 12-minute drive from downtown Asheville, giving you the countryside feel with the city convenience. I'm Sarah, and I'll be giving you a tour of this 1,662 square foot home that has been named the most beautiful rental in North Carolina by Architectural Digest, and has also been featured in GQ, TimeOut, and Condé Nast Traveler. This one-story glass home has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a hot tub, fireplace, and folding patio doors that open right up to a private outdoor space. Upon arrival, you're met with sweeping views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Wander is what you get when the quality of a luxury hotel meets the comfort and space of a vacation home. We're different from other vacation rentals because we own 100% of the homes on our platform, which means all the uncertainty from travel is removed. Life has enough stress, and we believe traveling should be an escape. So we built Wander to make it easy for you and to help you find your happy place. The architecture of this house is really unique because on one side you have these weathered steel paneled walls, and then on the other side you have floor-to-ceiling windows that look out to the pasturelands. In many ways, glass houses are the best of both worlds because you feel like you're immersed in nature, yet you can close the door to any of the elements. Plus, the area is peaceful and tranquil. It's close enough to downtown Asheville, yet feels a world away. Each Wander comes with state-of-the-art smart home technology that puts total home control at your fingertips. You'll be able to control every aspect of the experience from your smart home in the Wander app, from unlocking the door to turning on the lights and even accessing the Tesla in the driveway. Yes, that's right. You have the option to access a Tesla during your stay, so you don't have to worry about the complications of renting a car or the cost of gas. Now let's head inside via this bark-lined entranceway that immediately transports you into the environment. The first thing you'll notice upon arrival to the home is the floor-to-ceiling windows that really frame the mountains almost like art. We have a lot going on here. We have a dining table that comfortably sits 6. We have a bar cart for you, and I want to point out these sliding doors. They double as windows, but you can actually open them up on a nice day and enjoy the breeze and the sunshine. But then on a cooler day, we also have the option of a wood-burning fireplace. And speaking of those cooler days, it does get a little bit cooler here at night. Our floors are this lovely glazed concrete with certain little fossil markers in them, which is super cute and unique. You don't really see that a lot. That does mean that it can get a little chilly on your feet, so we supply you with slippers. But coming along this way, we have some mid-century modern furniture, this lovely reading nook here. We have an L-shaped velvet couch that has a Samsung TV and surround sound speakers. And then if we come over this way, let's head to the kitchen. The kitchens at Wander Properties is what sets them apart from other accommodations. We have everything you need to cook a high-quality meal, including the best cookware, dishware, and even cooking basics like oil, spices. The fridge comes stocked with soft drinks. In this kitchen, we actually have a large island that has plenty of counter space. There also is an espresso machine right here. By the way, this counter has a really cool vibe. It's very colorful on the front, and I really like that pop of color here. It makes it super fun. We have a Bosch induction stovetop, 2 ovens, and a dishwasher. But if you're not a chef, don't worry. Our Wander Concierge can actually arrange a private chef to come here and cook the ultimate meal tailored to you. Our Wander Concierge is available 24/7 to support in any way, from facilitating a grocery delivery to providing recommendations for a private chef or restaurants in the area if eating out is more your style. Our Asheville travel guide also has some recommendations, so make sure to check that out after this video. To the back of the kitchen is the pebbled patio with a beautifully landscaped garden. This is a perfect spot to hang out with friends or family. Our dining table comfortably sits 6. I personally love having breakfast here, but also at night, this is a wonderful spot to see a lightning bug show, or if you're out late at night, you can actually see the Milky Way. The stargazing here is incredible. And to the left of the dining table, we have our wonderful hot tub. This hot tub is just the perfect way to end the day. You're actually looking out to the Blue Ridge Mountains. It's absolutely stunning. We also have a grill over here, so if you want to do a barbecue, you can do that. This whole backyard area is wonderful for little ones because they can explore, and it's just such a peaceful area. This really brings the whole house together. There are 2 bedrooms, both with queen-size beds and views of the mountains. These rooms are light, warm, and airy, which will make you feel right at home. Plus, they have sliding glass doors, which give you incredible views of the Riceville Valley. A standout element of all Wander properties is how comfortable the beds are. Oh my goodness, I can't emphasize this enough. We use the latest in sleep technology to make sure that you sleep better here than you do at home. There's actually a cooling feature in each mattress that allows you to control the temperature. So you can make it cooler, you can make it warmer, and then the sheets are super soft and are made to leave your hair frizz-free. Plus, there are charging stations next to each side of the bed that are wireless, so you never run out of battery. And if you have a baby like me, we actually can set up a crib for you upon arrival. Just ask for it. There's actually also an option for a car seat in the Tesla. All you need to do is let us know ahead of time and we'll make sure we have it for you. Another benefit of staying at Wander is these state-of-the-art workstations that are found at each property. And here at Wander Asheville Meadows, we have 2. 1 in each bedroom. Every Wander home has 300 megabytes per second to 1 gig internet speed and ubiquity hardware across the entire property. And at Asheville Meadows, that means that you can work anywhere inside or outside with ease. Each of the workstations has an Herman Miller Aeron chair, which has the best back support of all chairs, and an uplift sit-to-stand desk. We have a Blue mic, which is so high quality that it is used for broadcasting by major recording artists. There's also the best Logitech Brio 4K camera, so you will look crystal clear in all of your Zoom calls and won't even need a virtual background. Each desk also has a 38-inch extra wide LG curved monitor and high-end speakers. And what I loved most is that all I had to do when I arrived was plug 1 wire into my computer and everything was connected for me. It made the whole process seamless and hassle-free. The primary bathroom is great for couples because we have these dual shower heads. I just love the shower here with the view of the mountains, and then you have this really nice subway tiling here. By the way, one of the things that really makes Wander stand out from other vacation rentals is the quality of all of the items. You have lush towels and of course my favorite Wander robe. Love those, they're so comfortable. We also have high quality shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and all Wanders come with a Dyson hair dryer. Seriously, your hair is gonna look better than ever with this one. It is quality at its finest. The second bathroom is gorgeous as well. The Portuguese tiling here is stunning, and I adore this skylight. By the way, when you check out, you don't ever have to worry about cleaning. We have hotel grade cleaners available at every stay. You don't have to worry about following a long list of checklists or stripping beds. Our Wander Concierge can also arrange a mid-stay clean for you if you would like. Simply text them and they'll take care of it. At Wander, we believe humans are meant to explore the world and that these experiences are best when shared. Now, anyone can stay at one of our properties, but we also offer a Wander membership program that unlocks additional benefits, including 5% off of every Wander you book, early access to new Wanders, VIP concierge service, exclusive discounts from our brand partners like Herman Miller, 8 Sleep, Members Hoodie, and more. Now to learn more about that, visit wander.com/membership. With that, let's hop in our Tesla and explore the surrounding area because there is a ton to do here. Check out our Asheville travel guide next. We look forward to welcoming you to Wander Asheville Meadows. We'll see you soon. Bye.